Power Brands has been in India since 1999, though repackaged since 2010 as Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards, and are a set of eagerly awaited credible awards conferred to deserving companies and individuals through a comprehensive selection procedure involving the highest standards of norms set by the jury members of the Network 7 Media Group, the flagship brand of SB Network, and eminent jury members comprising of top and senior-most professionals of the healthcare industry, government officials, business tycoons, and policymakers decide more than 30 categories after the processes are reviewed and voted by the general public. We will now take you to the process of nominations, selections, and key parameters. Open call for nominations submitted online through a link on our website www.pharmaleaders2015.com. Once the Pharmaleaders Awards are announced, the internal PR team of the Network 7 Media Group create the news buzz. Organizing committee and PLA jury develop the top 5 finalists, reassigning categories and assigning subcategories as dictated by the nominations. Organizing committee reviews nominations and conducts multiple conference calls to discuss and analyze the category. Nominees are contacted and interviewed by the jury with a range of questions, and physical interviews to sample size of voters are thrown to the public. The award trophy and certificate of excellence are finalized by the board members of the Network 7 Media Group, and the theme of the Leadership Summit of the Pharmaleaders Annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Business Leadership Awards are arrived at. Finalists are notified that they have advanced to finalist status, but not told whether they have made it to the final selection of the award titles. And elaborate arrangements are made through a transparent and credible selection process and voting mechanism where the 3-tier voting process such as email and SMS and physical interviews are organized. Finalists are contacted by PLA representatives to plan to attend the awards event, and guest lists of the winners are prepared along with the nomination video for the grand show. Pharmaleaders Super Brand winners are selected based on a nationwide survey and a grand process of identifying the true winner from the best out of the best. The winners are called the Pharmaleaders Super Brands. Pharmaleaders Power Brand Awards are the most prestigious annual industry awards recognized annually that acknowledge and honor individuals and organizations for their remarkable accomplishments. These set of awards are widely acclaimed in the industry circle as fitting tribute to those individuals and companies that have gone the extra mile to advance the excellence in healthcare through best practices, initiatives, dynamism, drive, and towering leadership. Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards are the premier largest business and technology leadership awards programs in the subcontinent, covering the set of prestigious awards spanning from biotech to healthcare to CEO awards. Pharmaleaders Power Brand Awards are conferred to those companies and individuals who exhibit a rare display of innovation for outstanding academic and professional leadership to individuals and companies. This top recognition symbolizes the best out of the best from a chosen few. Over the last decade, since the institutionalization of recognizing excellence in healthcare and pharmaceutical business in the form of Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards, Pharmaleaders has recognized successful individuals and organizations that have empowered the healthcare industry in the global map by creating values and manufacturing progress. These Pharmaleaders and organizations inspire the public by motivating others to carry out their calls to action, by serving as a champion for their cause, and by demonstrating a clear record of accomplishment in addressing urgent, relevant, and complex healthcare needs, problems, and solutions. They also maintain consistent, long-lasting relationships with the people and communities in which they work. They are truly trendsetters. Thus, the annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards, conducted year after year, are truly India's only dedicated celebration of excellence in healthcare innovation, pharmaceutical and medical excellence and brand transformation. Most eagerly awaited annual affair in India, these set of awards reflect benchmark of credibility, leadership spirit, and regarded by the industry experts as Pharmaleaders Power Brands and now Super Brands. Ladies and gentlemen, now the results of the Pharmaleaders Super Brand Awards. And the winners are